is meaning of dance. In today's class, our topic is meaning of dance. What is dance? Dance is a movement of the body. Dance is a movement of the body. We dance to the rhythm of the song or the beat of the instrument. We dance to the rhythm of the song or the beat of the instrument. We have two types of dance. Two types of dance. Number one, foreign dance. Foreign dance. Foreign dance. The number two, traditional or local dance. Traditional or local dance. So let's look at foreign dance. Foreign dance is non-Nigerian dance. Foreign dance is non-Nigerian dance. Then number two, traditional dance. Traditional dance is the dance that represents our culture and traditions. Traditional dance is the dance that represents our culture and traditions. For instance, Yoruba culture and traditions, Hausa culture and traditions, then Igbo culture and traditions. So children, what have you learned today? We've learned about meaning of dance. We've learned about meaning of dance and types of dance. Meaning of dance and types of dance. We have two types of dance. So children, that is all for today. Hope you enjoyed the class. See you in the next class. Please subscribe to this channel, like, and turn on the notification button for more videos like this.